Now with our newly created triangle, we're going to take it and we're going to rabbit ear it. So if we look down here, you can see it's already got all the good cross sections in it for it to be rabbit eared. What we're going to do is pick it up just a little bit, push it down, and there we go. Actually, I'm going to make it just a little bit. Oops, not like that. There we go, that's how I want it to look. Just like that. Now that we've done that, we're just going to go ahead and fold this flap right on over. There we go, just like that. If we flip it over, I've already done the same on the other side. Now what we're going to do is we're going to grab this edge right here, we're going to pull it up and over. Right after I fix this little bit right here. There we go. And we will do that on the next part.